Welcome to our latest showcase of innovative winter products. From cutting-edge snow removal solutions to high-tech winter gear, we're diving into the world of innovation designed to make your winter experience safer, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. Join us as we explore the top products redefining winter living and adventure. Timbersled Gen 2 Riot 3. Picture yourself cruising through the snow-kissed landscapes with the Timbersled Gen 2 Riot 3, a marvel of engineering that extends your biking adventures into every season. Compatible with motorcycles spanning from the 90s onwards, this modification boasts specialized kits tailored for racing enthusiasts. With durable tracks and Fox Racing shock absorbers, navigating even the deepest snow is a breeze. ATR Orbiter. Imagine a futuristic companion for snow removal tasks, effortlessly gliding over icy terrain like a graceful dancer. Meet the ATR Orbiter, which is equipped with remote operation capabilities and wide tracks that ensure confident navigation through snow, rocks, and steps. Powered by electricity, its rapid-charging batteries endure extreme temperatures, promising efficient snow removal and versatile handling of sand and gravel. Sweat Tent Sauna Tent. Step into the realm of relaxation with the Sweat Tent Sauna Tent, where tranquility meets efficiency. In just 3 minutes, transform any space into a sanctuary of steam, reaching temperatures up to 93 degrees Celsius in half an hour. Complete with rocks, a stove, and a chimney, it's a haven for rejuvenation, promising better sleep and stress relief. Recce Goggles. Elevate your winter sports experience with Recce Goggles, the epitome of functionality and style. Priced at $349, these goggles offer a seamless blend of navigation and communication features, ensuring safety and convenience on the slopes. With built-in friend detection and 15 hours of functionality on a single charge, they're a must-have for every snow enthusiast. Heated Gloves and Jackets. Embrace warmth and versatility with heated gloves and jackets, your ultimate companions for chilly adventures. Crafted for comfort and functionality, these products provide up to 70 degrees Celsius of warmth, touchscreen compatibility, and multiple pockets for convenience. Whether skiing, snowboarding, or simply braving the cold, these heated essentials have you covered. Grip4 Shoes. From humble beginnings to revolutionary footwear, Grip4 shoes redefine performance with a unique switch that enhances traction underfoot. Crafted from premium materials like sheepskin leather and suede, these shoes offer style without compromising on functionality. Whether hiking through snow or navigating icy terrains, Grip4 shoes provide unparalleled grip and stability. Hammock Bike Trailer and Stroller. Experience the epitome of versatility with Hammock, the ingenious blend of a bike trailer and a baby stroller. With seamless transitions between wheels and skis, adjustable suspension, and steady-stop technology, it promises unforgettable adventures for parents and children alike. Tubbs Flex Alp Snowshoes. Conquer the peaks with Tubbs Flex Alp Snowshoes, your trusted companions for versatile terrain. Featuring a heel lift system and a rotating toe, these snowshoes reduce fatigue and ensure comfort on steep mountains. With a user weight limit of 86 kilograms, they're the perfect choice for adventurers seeking unparalleled performance. Quick Connect Track Conversion System. Turn your car into a snowmobile in minutes with the Quick Connect Track Conversion System. Inspired by scenes from Taxi 3, this system effortlessly swaps regular wheels for tracks, lifting the car by 18 centimeters. Its innovative X-shaped design ensures superior traction on snow and ice, making winter driving safer and more exciting. With installation times under 3 minutes, it's the ultimate solution for tackling snowy roads. Priced at $112,000, it's a premium investment for adventurous drivers. BEV Grip Hill Sanding System. Say goodbye to waiting for icy roads to be sanded with the BEV Grip Hill Sanding System. Designed for truck drivers, this system automatically releases sand in front of the rear wheels, ensuring confident driving on hills. Its heated sandbox prevents freezing, providing consistent sand distribution in any weather condition. Priced at around $4,175 per unit, it's a must-have for winter road safety. Matrax Tracks. Embark on adrenaline-fueled adventures with Matrax Tracks, inspired by the thrill of the Fast and Furious movies. Ideal for vehicles up to 3 tons, these tracks offer unparalleled versatility, whether on snow, mud, or sand. With over 100 models available, the possibilities are endless for off-road enthusiasts. Hybrid Winter Car Covers. Protect your vehicle with hybrid winter car covers, offering garage-like protection against snow and ice. Featuring a multi-layer design and zipper locks for easy access, these covers ensure optimal temperature maintenance and security for your vehicle. Viver Snow Mats. Revolutionize snow and ice control with Viver Snow Mats, your hassle-free solution for slippery surfaces. With a non-slip rubber coating and rapid snow melting capabilities, these mats ensure safety and convenience on asphalt paths or wooden steps. Glacier Protection Film. Witness innovation in action with the Glacier Protection Film, a groundbreaking solution to combat glacier melting. Developed by scientists in China's Sichuan province, this film reflects 96% of the sun's rays, reducing snow and ice melting by 50 to 70%. With environmental preservation at its core, this experiment aims to raise awareness and inspire global action. SureTrax Flexible Traction Mats. Ensure smoother rides and improved handling in snowy conditions with SureTrax Flexible Traction Mats. These innovative mats fill up with water, adding 182 kilograms of weight over the rear wheels, enhancing traction and stability. Tested in freezing temperatures down to -40°C, they're designed to withstand harsh winter conditions. Priced at $170, they're an affordable solution for winter driving challenges. AutoSock Snow Traction Covers. Revolutionize winter driving with AutoSock Snow Traction Covers. Made from high-quality textile material, these covers provide excellent traction on snow and ice, offering peace of mind in slippery conditions. Easy to install in just 3 minutes, they're favored by drivers of all vehicles, including buses and heavy trucks. Priced at about $104 for a set of 2, they're a cost-effective solution for winter road safety. Drag Pro Pickup Snowplow. Clear paths up to 4.9 meters wide with the Drag Pro Pickup Snowplow. Designed for pickup trucks, this robust plow effortlessly tackles heavy snowfall, ensuring smooth passage on roads and driveways. Pair it with the Storm Seeker lighting system for enhanced visibility during snow removal tasks. Priced at $X.X, it's an essential tool for winter maintenance professionals. H2O Innovate Clean Shield Windshield Cover. Simplify winter car care with the H2O Innovate Clean Shield Windshield Cover. Water-resistant and windproof, this cover protects your windshield from snow and ice buildup, ensuring a clear view in cold weather. With a patented internal spring, it pops open fast for easy installation and removal. Priced at $43, it's a cost-effective solution for winter weather challenges. Winter Fishing Ski Haulers. Make hauling trailers to fishing spots easier with winter fishing ski haulers. Designed for winter fishing enthusiasts, these oversized skis ensure smooth towing on snow and ice, even with ATVs. Priced at $925 per pair, they're a durable and reliable solution for winter fishing adventures. Goodyear De-icer spray and keychain. Defrost locks quickly and efficiently with Goodyear De-icer spray and keychain. Formulated to melt ice and snow, this spray lubricates locks and prevents refreezing, ensuring smooth operation in cold weather. Priced at $3 for the spray and $18 for 2 keychain de-icers, they're an essential addition to any winter car care kit. 9 All-Weather Cabin Parking Heater. Say goodbye to chilly car rides with the all-weather cabin parking heater. This innovative heater ensures your cabin remains cozy at 21 degrees Celsius throughout the year, regardless of outside temperatures. Available in fuel-powered or electric versions, the electric variant offers a 40% cost-saving advantage. With automatic temperature adjustments and a quick heating mode that warms up the car in just 15 minutes, convenience is guaranteed. Priced at $913 for the diesel version, it's a worthwhile investment for year-round comfort. Bush Winch Self-Recovery System. Wrap up your winter preparedness with the Bush Winch Self-Recovery System. Also known as a self-recovery system, this unique winch attaches directly to the wheel, allowing for smooth and effortless car retrieval in challenging situations. With no special skills required from the driver, the Bush Winch relies on the engine's capabilities, ensuring a safe and effective recovery every time. Priced at $300, it's a must-have tool for off-road enthusiasts and winter adventurers alike. Thanks for tuning in to our winter product showcase. We hope you enjoyed discovering these innovative solutions for tackling the challenges of the winter season. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest trends and innovations. Stay warm, stay safe, and until next time, happy adventuring!